you know that you can actually import your PDF files into Canva and fix them up? So hello to everyone. My name is Petra and I blog over at bigincomeparadise.com. And there I teach ambitious female entrepreneurs how to build a wildly successful online business through social media and different business hacks. So now I want to show you how to actually import your PDF file that you already created, but let's say you want to change the colors because you rebranded, you want to change the fonts and so on. Yes, you can do that, but right now this is in beta version. So if you click create a design, you will see import PDF. And if you will want to import a larger PDF file, it's not going to allow you. So this is what popped up for me. And I will leave the link to this down below this video or above this video. It depends where you're watching it, but you can check it out what Canva allows you. If you're a free user, you can upload up to 5 GB of media and so on and so on. So you can check it out. So right now, it's not going to allow you to import larger PDF. I don't know what's going to happen in the future, but as we can see, it's in beta version. So I found one of my PDF files that is quite old and it has like 5 pages. So it looks like this, okay? And you will see why I say, let's just see this, you know, it's beta version. Just give Canva some slack. You will see right now what Canva is going to do. So remember, I have white background here. So let's just upload my PDF, and it's going to take a little bit of time, obviously, so that it imports the whole PDF. So let's wait a little bit, and then you can just click on it, and it's going to open in a new window. And as you can see, the background is all pink, even though it's white and only this part is pink. So of course we uploaded this, it's in beta version, something's gonna go wrong, right? But you're obviously going to change your whole PDF. So maybe the colors, maybe the fonts. So let's just fix this up. And now let's pretend we fixed the whole thing, right? Because I don't want to bore you with how to fix it up and so on. But yeah, we fixed it up. Now you have to download it. So just click download, choose the PDF print because it's high quality. And also make sure that all your pages are selected, because if you just choose, let's say you choose the first and the second page, this is not going to be included, right? So usually it selects all the pages. Just make sure that it's really all pages. And then you just click download and it's going to download, and that's it. It's done. So let me know, did you know that you can actually do that with Canva? And is it going to be helpful for your business? So let me know that below. Now, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.